and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Rhonda, better known as Hot Mess Momma MD. On today's video, we will be doing the June 2018 unboxing of our Glossybox. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, I do unboxings of subscriptions all the time. I do Allure, Ipsy with my daughter, Ipsy, mother versus daughter. I do BoxyCharm. Did I say Allure already? If not, Allure. FabFitFun, Glossybox. I think that's it. I could be wrong. I don't know. But this box and the Allure box have been teetering goodbye. So this box last month kind of, but I went ahead and I did it again. So if I don't like this box, and I don't know what the sneak peeks are, I never check because I like to be surprised. But if this box is not good, then I'm going to go ahead and get rid of it. So if you're interested to see what's in the June 2018 box, sorry about that long intro, then let's get started. Okay guys, so my battery's about to die, so you guys know me, I'm going to jump through this video fairly quick. At least I say that. We'll see what happens. So, right off the bat, it is back in its standard pink box, which I'm not going to lie, I love these for organization. If you don't know what the Glossybox is, it is a monthly subscription box you do receive every single month for about $23. It has more skincare in it, sometimes some makeup, and as well as hair care. Typically you get a couple full-size items. If not, they're not full-size. It is very deluxe size samples. So, let's go ahead and get right into it. This is what it looks like as soon as you open it up. It says Summer Solstice, and I'm not gonna lie, I love the packaging. They get me on packaging every single month. So we're gonna open it right up and have it sitting here handy so we can see everything that is in our box and get the prices and things like that. Okay, so right off the bat, I did get a Carl, is it Lagerfeld or something, plus Model Co. What is this? This is pretty. This looks like it is a lip liner. It's pretty. It's a nice, pretty mauve shade. Let's see. It does retail for, retails for $29, but you know, that's okay. The next item I did receive is an eyeshadow palette. It's the Icon Minis by Absolute New York. It looks like it does retail full size for $8.99. And it is sealed. Let's get my scissors. Honestly, just by looking at the box here, it looks to be similar to the, is it the Naked Basic mini palette, I think? So I'm wondering if this is a potential dupe for that. I'd say it potentially is. That's cute. That's actually very cute. It comes with a sponge applicator. You don't ever see that anymore. But like I said, it does retail for $8.99. And again, I did spend about $23 on this box. Okay, so the next item I did receive, this is a banana setting powder. This is by, it just says banana setting powder BP. What is that? Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and this is a full-size setting powder. It does retail for $35. I'm happy with this. I can't complain. The Glossybox is paying attention because they know they were on my not so happy list. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. This is a little what's it called? What is that called? Eyelash curler. Ooh. Okay, this does retail for $25. It's professional eyelash curl in rose gold. I'm happy with that. I honestly broke mine, so I don't have one. So this actually is doing very, very well. Next is Repose Aromatherapy Resting Cream. This I would say is a deluxe sample size. The full size, oh goodness, the full size of this does retail for $60. Wow. This actually does come with a coupon code of 20% off of your resting cream at their actual website, which is going to be listed down below for you guys. I'll have the coupon code and all that good stuff for you all if you are interested. I've never tried this before, so I don't know anything about it. So if you've tried it, let me know. I'm very interested in it. The last item in my box is a body lotion. Ooh, let's smell it. It smells nice. It kind of smells like, it says English Garden, but it definitely gives you those vibes. The full size does retail for $24. Is it Gilchrist and Somas? Lord Jesus help me. I know, guys. I know. I don't enunciate to save my life. But this is a good 2 full ounces. So again, great for traveling and everything like that. So my overall thoughts on this video. Sorry, I know I'm rushing through this video, but like I said, my battery is low. So I'm trying to get it all in one clip versus many. But overall, I'm actually happy with this box, believe it or not. Especially for the fact that I have been needing an eyelash curler. I don't typically use one all the time, but when I had one, I was fairly good about using it. I don't know if it's worth the $25, but it looks pretty nice and fancy in there. But, you know, as far as the palette goes, the banana powder, I love setting powders. I really like good setting powders. So I'm excited to try that and this, and all the stuff overall turned out to be very, very good. So I think I will go ahead and keep you around Glossybox for 1 more month, but you're out the door if you're not good next month. So anyways, that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up down below, as well as I do upload 5 days a week, Monday through Friday, as well as I do have a giveaway going on right now, which I will link that video in my description box below for y'all. It is 2 items that I actually show you. It is under my birthday surprise video. Since it is my birthday giveaway, I put a couple other items in there, but since it's a birthday, I want it to be a surprise for y'all. So you will get to see the 2 items, then the other items are going to be a surprise to the winner. So anyways, if you're interested in entering into that giveaway, make sure to check my description box. Go over to my giveaway video. All you have to do, as always, is like, comment where I need to contact you, whether that be Twitter, Instagram, or on YouTube, your email, what have you. And just like and stay subscribed. That's it. It's very, very easy. So anyways, until next time, my friends, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye.